right, one final thought on that taping that I wanted to bring up was when Angelo, aka Ange, aka Mean Old Dago, walked by me at his normal pre-paint speed of about 400 miles an hour. He and told me wrap it like a Christmas present. He said on his next pass, he said, make it tackable. And what tackable means is your tack rag, you got to be able to wipe over your paper surfaces that are taped to get any dirt off. And dirt, frankly, can be the base coat getting into your clear. So you don't want flaps of paper that can trap dirt and things like that, because on your next pass it's just going to blow that stuff right back into the job. So final thought on taping, and we're getting ready to go to color here, so we'll see you on the other side.